Today, we're going to add a devil voice effect to your audio.
Making your voice sound spooky and dark, perfect for Halloween or any eerie video. Let's get started.
First, add your video or audio clip to the timeline. If your video has audio, tap on the video clip and choose Extract Audio to separate the audio from the video. This makes it easy to apply effects directly to the audio. Now, tap on the audio layer and scroll through the toolbar to find voice effects. In the voice effects menu, select the devil option.
This effect will give your voice a deep, creepy tone, making it sound like a devil speaking. You can adjust the effect's intensity or tweak any other settings to get the perfect spooky sound.
Once you're happy with how it sounds, tap the check mark to apply the effect. And that's it. You've successfully added the devil voice effect to your audio in InShot. It's an easy and fun way to give your voice an eerie twist. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more InShot editing tips and tricks.